Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So after watching Tiger King on Netflix, let me know if you've seen it. Oh my goodness, wow. I won't say any more. I watched Tiger King and that inspired me to make some animal print coasters, and I didn't film the process at all. I just made them and I put them up on my Instagram and on my TikTok, and somebody said please do a tutorial on this, so that is what we are going to do today. So I've already mixed the resin just to make life really easy. I'm using 3 colours. These are the Arteza mica powders that they sent me. I've got the brown, the orange and the yellow, and it really is quite straightforward. We're going to mix the colours up, then I'm going to spend quite a lot of time with the heat gun moving it all around and really blending, and I found that it's helping me reduce the pockets that I keep getting around the edge of these things. So that's what we're going to do: brown, yellow, orange, and then just use the heat gun for quite a while, really heat it all up. I've got my mask on, well I will have in a second, and I'll have my gloves on, and yeah, let's get going. It is the next day, so as you can see that is well and truly blended, and that's because I spent ages, a good 15 minutes with the heat gun, moving everything around, blending it out so you won't get any harsh lines, she says. Hopefully it's worked. And we are okay. Now there's more lines in this than I was expecting. My originals don't have these lines. That's the original that I made, and that's yesterday's, so you can kind of see they're similar, but yeah, still pretty, still very tiger. Definitely more lines than I wanted, but once the black marks are on, it will absolutely make them pop. Now this is the original one that I did. You can very barely see the lines between the orange and the yellow. and if you compare it with the one I did yesterday, it's just sod's law. Didn't work out like the original, but still blended in some areas. So yeah, once the black marks are on, it will be pretty. Now all you need to do is grab your Posca pen and make your tiger marks. Now I've done very random patterns. I'm not worried about them matching up on the lines, but if you wanted to create some stunning symmetry with that tiger pattern, you absolutely could. Doesn't look too off, to be honest, but yeah, absolutely love it. The last thing for me to do now is to seal these with a top coat of resin, because that Posca pen will dry and scratch straight off if you try to use them. So I'm just going to leave these just to dry 5-10 minutes, then I'm gonna tape the bottoms off, give them a top coat of resin, put some feet on, job's a good un. Okay, I'm just about to top coat these now. I have covered all of the bottoms with some green frog tape. I've mixed up a little bit of resin. I'm just going to pour some onto the tops of each one. This is where it's very clear that my surface is not level, but I do my best to get it level. I'm going to pour some onto the surface of each one, and then basically spread it out to all of the edges like so. You want to just go as easy as you can near to the edge. Ideally you don't want it to go over the edge, but if it goes over the edge, the bottom is protected with that tape, so you won't get all of those pesky drips. them the next morning with that absolutely super glossy, I'm trying to show it to you, glossy top coat. So that Posca pen will never come off. Obviously it's covered. All you have to do then is take the bottoms off. So I've taken some off, and then this is what the others look like. If you've got any drips around the edge, you can then use a heat gun. If they're really stubborn, you can use a heat gun just to soften them, because this hasn't been 24 hours since I put the top coat on. If you get in early to the point where it's cured, but to the point where you can still heat it up and take it off, then you'll be able to get off any stubborn resin drips. Luckily these didn't have any, which is a first for me. A little mark on that one, but nothing I can't live with. Absolutely stunning top gloss. The shine on that is incredible. Once you've got all the bottoms off, all of your coasters, then you go and you put your feet on. Now the feet I use, if my camera can pick them up, they are just these rubber dots that I bought from Amazon. You get a sheet of quite a lot. And they're really sticky, and they're really great. You can stick these on with super glue if you want, but actually I find they just stick without any extra adhesive. So on these triangular ones, I always put one in the corner here, I put one here, one in the middle, and one here. If you don't put one in the middle, it's got a bit of a tilt to it. So that's it. The final step to making your coasters, put my rubber feet on, and on the end, and one in the middle, approximate middle, like so. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. This, as you'll see, is the original tiger one that I did, and I also top coated the one that you saw me do just now in the video. Has also had a top coat. So now the last thing to do is just put feet on all of them, and Bob's your uncle. Let me know what you think. I honestly think I'm not an animal print person, but I feel like these are my favourite coasters to date. These and the black and gold. The black and gold are still up there, but these, oh yeah, oh yes, I'm loving these. So thank you so much. I hope you found this helpful, and I'm really grateful that you asked for me to do this. Sometimes it really helps knowing that I'm putting something out that you want to see. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead, finish off the feet on these, and then hopefully when all this is over, these will be coming up on my Etsy, which I took everything down because of lockdown, and I didn't want to be going out to the post office and posting stuff. But keep an eye out for that. If you're interested in these before then, let me know, and if at any point in the future I get out, then I'll be able to get them to you. But have a great day. I hope you're all staying safe, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. And I've got a very exciting collaboration coming up on the 9th of May, I think it is, Saturday 9th of May. Look out for that one. It's not resin. It's not resin. And yeah, thanks a lot guys. Thanks for all your support. You're all amazing. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye.